If you haven't done so, please hit that subscribe button.
Dixie cup martinis, second one's a freebie. Happy Friday